Hi, my name's Angelique. I work here at Evans Delivery in the chassis department. When the steamship lines decided to get out of the chassis business and transfer their assets to leasing companies such as Track, FlexiVan, and DCLI, a huge amount of work was created for trucking companies. Instead of the cost of the chassis being included in the overall price, chassis would now be billed separately. Most of that billing would now be done by the trucking companies. In order to streamline that process as much as possible, the equipment console was developed. Incoming invoices are received electronically from the chassis leasing companies and uploaded into our database. The invoices are then matched to existing orders in the agent portal system, and where the correct billing line item was used and the correct number of days were billed for chassis, the invoice is marked for payment and no further action is required from either the per diem group or the agents. Only exceptions require any action. If a match is found between an invoice presented to us by a leasing company and an order in our system, but either no chassis days were billed or the number of days don't match, the invoice will be put in agent review status. If no match is found, then the invoice is put into corp review status. Let's take a look at using the equipment console and an understanding on its functions. The equipment console only works with Google Chrome. You may access equipment console by visiting chassis.evansdelivery.com and enter the same credentials that you use for the Evans portal. Once logged in, the equipment console screen initially displays moves within the last 90 days. You can change the date range using the filter at the bottom of the screen. You can also sort or filter the list by any column simply by clicking on its header. For agents, the main focus will be to filter the invoices displayed in Agent Review. Agent Review means we have a charge and nothing was billed to the customer. Those are the items on which we're looking for answers. Same with per diem. You have several options from which to choose after you research the move. You can select to bill the customer, deduct the driver, deduct your agency, or dispute the invoice. Click the agent status column header and then select Agent Review to show the items that require your attention. Here's a tip. If Agent Review is not among your selections, type Agent Review, all in one word, in the filter field and click Search All Pages to filter your list in Agent Review. Once Agent Review is displayed, click the Agent Review button in the Agent Status column to select the appropriate disposition status. The type of disposition statuses available are Bill Customer. If you need to bill your customer for chassis or per diem. Disputed, enter a dispute reason, backup for your dispute, and how many days you want to dispute. Agent Deduct, if the agency needs to be deducted for charges. Driver Deduct, if the driver needs to be deducted for charges. Corp Deduct is only used by corporate. Agent Reimbursement, if an agent overbills, they can select to be reimbursed for chassis. Driver Reimbursement, if a driver was deducted and needs to be reimbursed. Corp Reimbursement, only used by corporate. For split amount, you can split the bill in several different ways, such as Agent Deduct, Driver Deduct, and Bill Customer. Duplicate match. If you see DUP after the pro, this is a duplicate chassis match, meaning you use the same chassis twice, and there will be another pro associated with that chassis usage. Now let's take a look on how to work the selected statuses. To bill a customer, select Bill Customer. Enter the amount of days, the rate, and the console will calculate the total. And click Go. To deduct a driver, select Deduct the Driver. Enter the tractor number, enter the number of days to deduct, and the total will auto-calculate. And click Go. To deduct your agency, select Agent Deduct, enter the number of days, and if you would like to split the deduction up into payments, you can enter the number of splits. And click Go. To dispute the invoice, select Disputed, enter the number of days to dispute, and a valid reason for dispute with backup. And click Go. Also, sometimes the correct action will be a combination of the above. For example, an agent might select to deduct the agency 1 day and bill the customer 2 days. Here's an example of how you split the amount. Select Split Amount. Enter the number of days for the agent amount, then enter the number of days to bill the customer. Enter the rate to bill the customer, and click Go. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more or have any questions, please contact the Per Diem department.